Hi everyone, I'm Kelly with the Lafayette Public Library. And this summer we're inviting you to Find Your Tale at LPL with our Tales and Tales Summer Reading Challenge. We're challenging patrons of all ages to read 600 minutes between June 1st and July 31st. Whether you prefer books, audiobooks, or even graphic novels, any time spent reading counts. You can even log minutes spent reading to a friend or family member. Parents will be happy to know that reading during summer break can help reduce summer slide, which is the loss of reading skills that can happen when children are out of school. Our younger patrons who join the Summer Reading Challenge will love the prizes they win. At the end of summer reading, we'll even have a grand prize drawing for a bike. You can sign up online on our website or pick up a summer safari passport where you can log your minutes to win pins and a special lanyard for visiting our various library locations. Again, all you have to do is sign up and read 600 minutes. That's only an average of about 10 minutes a day. And you're set! Visit our website for more information on our Tales and Tales Summer Reading Challenge and join this summer to find your tale at the Lafayette Public Library.